Choosing the right ladder requires understanding your project and environment. Use a step ladder for indoor tasks and an extension ladder for higher reaches. Check for hazards like uneven ground, overhead branches, or slippery surfaces. Always respect the ladder's weight limit, including tools and materials. Prioritizing these safety measures ensures balance. It also provides better control. These measures contribute to a productive project. They help maintain an accident-free environment. Conducting a thorough assessment of your workspace is essential. Doing this before starting your task creates a safer environment. Make sure to position your ladder on stable ground. Ensure the ground is level to support the ladder's base. This stability gives you greater confidence as you ascend. Proper ladder placement minimizes the risk of slipping. It also reduces the chance of tipping. This allows you to concentrate fully on your work. As you embark on your ascent, remember that the path can be unpredictable. Keep your eyes on the trail ahead and be conscious of your footing. Every step should be deliberate. Maintain a steady rhythm while navigating any obstacles that may arise. Your concentration will help ensure a successful climb. It also contributes to a safe climb. Ensure that you are prepared for any challenges that may come your way. Stay vigilant, trust your instincts, and let your preparation shine through as you conquer the heights ahead. This includes conversations happening nearby. It also includes urgent notifications on your phone. Keeping your attention solely on the task at hand is essential. Focus allows you to react swiftly to sudden changes. It also helps you handle challenges you may encounter. Prioritize maintaining 3 points of contact on the ladder. This results in a stable position. It minimizes the chance of falls. This practice safeguards your well-being while working at heights. Ensure that all your tools are neatly organized. Tools should be secured in a tool belt or properly hoisted in a bucket. This prevents the temptation to reach for them while balancing. It significantly lowers the likelihood of accidents. Creating a well-organized workspace complements your climbing strategy and enables efficient, confident work. Remember, it's not only about completing the job. It's also about doing so in a safe manner. This cultivates a responsible approach to ladder usage. Such responsibility must be respected at all times. Before beginning your task, take a moment to reflect on safety. Remember the importance of staying alert while climbing. Each step up the ladder should be taken with purpose. Avoid any distractions that may pull your focus away. Concentrate on ensuring your weight is evenly distributed. Keep your center of gravity toward the middle of the ladder. Using both hands enhances balance while climbing. Maintaining 3 points of contact ensures a steady climb at heights. Check the ladder's condition for wear or damage before starting work. Following these practices reduces accidents and creates a safer environment. By staying vigilant and working smart, you can navigate ladder tasks confidently. Prioritize safety to reach new heights safely in your projects. In the next video we will discuss about safe ladder usage. Stay connected with us to receive the latest updates, news, and valuable insights. Thank you.